So before we sort of decided we needed a solution and found iServer, we had data in lots of different project silos. So it wasn't possible within the organisation easily to understand all the different applications we had, the processes, capabilities, and the infrastructure within the group. So that kind of led us, or started the search for an application that would allow us to store that information and then make it accessible across the group. One of sort of the visions, I think, is that we're able to very easily identify business capabilities, the processes that underpin those capabilities, the applications, and then the infrastructure that the applications run on. Another key challenge for us internally was to be able to manage our technical debt. So we had some stories in the Azure DevOps environment against our applications, but there was no visibility as to the technical debt within the group, or any way of us being able to demonstrate that we were actually tackling that technical debt. So with some support from Orbus, we've got a dedicated technical debt dashboard within the platform. Also, with that unique list of applications, we can now assign the architectural viewpoint on those applications. So we can say if it's something we want to invest in, something we want to eliminate. So again, that can help us as an organisation work out where we want to prioritise our efforts. So I think those challenges led us to deciding that we needed to do something. We looked at the Gartner Magic Quadrant for the software that we were looking for. We did some of our own research, and we came up with a number of applications that we felt met our needs and conducted an RFP. The reason that we chose iServer, there were a number really. So I think it was the fact that the platform didn't force you to use the TOGAF framework, the fact that we can integrate with ServiceNow, we can integrate with Azure, and the fact that it uses Visio, something that we use within the organisation.
As well as the architectural reasons, we have a regulatory obligation as a financial services company to meet the needs of the PRA, which is the Prudential Regulation Authority. We need to ensure that we have the right controls in place to mitigate the risks for a financial company. I think for us, the big thing is that we really start to use iServer for all the controls and make sure that everywhere in our business, across compliance and risk and in IT governance, that we have all our controls in one place, that we can have one set of good visibility for our boards, for our key executives, and also for the regulators, and that can really help us to be more effective in the way we manage our risks at Just.